Good morning, students. Today we will continue the relation functions. So last period I discussed the problems, uh, injective, subjective, uh, one on to that is bisection problems. Okay. Today we will continue problems. Uh, Stay whether the function is 1 or onto is 1 onto or bijective function. State whether the function f is 1 onto or bijective function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Whether this function, linear function, is 1 onto or bijective. Bijective means it is both 1 and onto with it. If it is both 1 it is called bijective. Okay. So this problem in CET, without solving, you are telling answers, because a linear always mapping R to R, the linear always bijective. You remember, okay? So this problem definitely it comes bijective only, both 1 and onto. F from R to R, f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Okay. Now we start 1 function. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R be two different domains. Let x1 x2 belongs to R be two different domains such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. So we have to prove x1 equal to x2. F of x1 is nothing but 3 minus 4x1, 3 minus 4x2. It implies minus 4x1 equal to minus 4x2. x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. Not what f is 1 1. Very simple. But already before solving, you know that answer. This problem, both 1 1 and 2. Simply you have to write. Because I don't know it is a linear. Even if it is quadratic, x square means it is not comes. Because if it is x square is there, neither 1 1 out. Because square quantity in a square always positive, because negative positive will get same answer. Okay. But linear always 1 1 and on. The function f is 1 1. Next one onto. But I'll explain how to write that 1 1 and onto. Okay. For every y belongs to R, codomain. For every y belongs to R codomain, there exists x belongs to R such that f of x equal to y. This is the R2 formula. You have to select one codomain, one element in codomain. There exists x belongs to R. This is domain only. This is the codomain, this is the domain. So f of x is y. What is f of x? 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4x equal to y. So what is 4x equal to 3 minus y? X equal to 3 minus y by 4. So x equal to 3 minus y by 4. 3 minus y by 4, it is 100% belongs to R only. Y is the real number, x also real number. Now it is mapping from R to R. Definitely it belongs to R. Even how many examples you are giving? It is on to now. How many examples you are giving? So it belongs to R, hence the function f is 1, 1. So I will explain one more method. Most of students are taking 3 minus y by 4. It is belongs to R. The function f is R. That is also correct. But actually, how to prove that R2? Now, we have to prove that R2, f of x is y. Now, f of x equal to f of, what is the x? 3 minus y by 4. 3 minus y means what is the f of x? 3 minus 4x. 3 minus 4, 3 minus y by 4. 4 cancel. 3 minus 3 plus y. So f of x equal to, this is equal to y. F of x equal to y. Hence the function, therefore f is onto. Hence the function f is both 1, 1 and both 1, 1. The function f is both 1, 1 and R2. That is, f is bijective. F is bijective function. Yes. Problem is very simple, don't worry. Mapping a real to real function is a linear, always 1, 1 and R2. So 1, 1 means we have to prove x1 equal to x2, that is over. But R2, so R2 means you have to select one codomain, f of x is y, x will get in R2. So we have to solve x equal to in terms of y. So next f of x is y, or even f of 3 minus 4 by y equal to y. So this is R2. Function is both 1, 1 and R2. Hence it is bijective. Okay. Next problem, f of x equal to 1 plus x square. So this problem you have to state whether the function is 1, 1, R2 or a bijective function. Okay. Now it is square quantity, f of x equal to 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So I told x square, this square quantity, positive negative will get same answer. Maybe it is not 1, 1. But you have to give the example. Simple students are taking that x1 comma x2 belongs to be two different domains. F of x1 equal to, that also will get x1 equal to x2 will get, but x1 equal to plus or minus x2 will get. Okay. So 1, 1 is okay. This is 1, 1. Example, x is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1. F of minus 1 equal to again 2. So f of 1 equal to f of minus 1, but 1 not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not 1 1. Okay? F is not 1 1. F of x is 1, f of 1 is 2, x is minus 1, f of minus 1, f of 1 is a minus 1, but 1 not equal to 1. F is not 1 1. Because it is not linear. No? Linear means 100% x1 equal to x2. So, f of the function f is not 1 1. Okay? Because 1 1 means it is different element have different images. Different element have different images. 1 and minus 1 is goes to 2 only. 1 goes to 2, minus 1 goes to 2. So, when you say the 1 1 function, different element have different images. The function is 1 1. So, this is not 1 1. So, you take onto, what is onto? For every y belongs to R codomain, there exists x belongs to R such that f of x equal to y. What is f of x? 1 plus x square equal to y, x square equal to y minus 1, x equal to root y minus 1. Okay? Root y minus 1, some values of y will get real only, no problem. But I want complete it belongs to R. So totally it does not belongs to R because y5, y3 greater than, okay, it is possible. So even y is equal to minus 2 because it is a real number. This is a real number only. Minus 2 is real number. So I want x also real number. Okay. This is real number, x also real means it is I think onto only because every elements of codomain have free images. Okay. So x equal to root of minus 3 does not belongs to R because it is a complex number, does not belongs to R, hence therefore f is not onto. F is not onto. This problem neither the hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto, neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay. So because it is a linear is there, if it is linear means both 1 1 and onto is comes. So it is square quantity, even if it is cube is there, 1 plus x cube. In 1 plus x cube maybe it is 1 1 is comes because different element have different images. Maybe it is onto, maybe it is sometimes possible because it belongs to R norm. Other than complex number, it comes a real number only. Maybe it is, but even 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power is never 1 1 and onto. Okay, because even power of x, both positive and negative will get same answer. Okay. So this problem is very important. Usually it is asking 3 marks question. State whether the function is 1 1 onto or biject. So hence the function f is bijective function. Okay. So this function is not a bijective. F is not 1 1. F is not onto. Hence the function f is not bijective. This is also good example. Next question. R, let you take A one, set A, R other than 3, and B other than 1, okay. A other than 3, B other than 1. So F from A to B. Defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. You check whether it is 1 1 or 2 or it is biject. Question I am not giving incomplete that, just previous to from style only. We check whether this problem is bijective or not, whether it is 1 1 is there or it is R2 is there or it is bijective. So what is the mapping? Mapping f from A to B, but domain other than 3, because if it is 3, the function is not defined. Okay, substituting 3, the function is not defined. So domain other than 3 is possible, and maybe it is in codomain. X value in terms of y. In terms of y, there will comes other than 1. Maybe denominator minus 1, x minus y minus 1, something will get. So codomain other than 1 and domain other than 3. Don't worry about these 3, because in these two the function is not defined. Then only other than 3, other than 1. So what is the f of x equal to? F of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Now you start 1 by 1. So maybe it is other than 3, other than 1. 1 1 you start. 1 1 function. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R other than 3. B2, let x1 comma x2 belongs to R other than 3, such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. It is understood, but every time, but practice makes man perfect. Just get already I do problem 3, maximum problems I have solved. Here it is understood, these two are domain only. So these two are domain, different domains other than 3. So what is the formula? F of x1 equal to f of x2. So what your aim? Your aim is to proving x1 equal to x2. Okay. x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3. x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. So the 100% is x1 equal to x2 and आना है. नहीं तो इसको 1 1 नहीं बोल सकते. So चेक करेंगे इसको क्या है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. x1 minus 2, x2 minus 3 equal to x1 minus 3, x2 minus 2. Multiplying x1 x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6. x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 6. Okay, multiplying, just cross multiplying. So maybe you know that what you prove you want. X1 equal to x2 only you have to prove. x1 x2 cancel. So minus 3x1 minus 3x1. Even 6 also cancel. Minus 3x1 plus 2x1 equal to minus 3x2 plus 2x2. Okay. So minus 3x1 minus 3x1 plus 2x1 minus x1. Minus 3x2 plus x2 is minus x2. x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Very simple. F is 1 1 function. Just cross multiply. We will get x1 equal to x2. Wherever we got x1 equal to x2, the function f is 1 1. Okay. So what is the second part? Onto. Whether it is onto possible or not. Okay. Onto, second Roman 2 I am taking onto, whether it is onto is there or not. Question I am asking whether the function is 1 1 onto or bisective. Let or for every y belongs to R other than what? 1. Other than 1. That for every y belongs to R other than 1, there exists x belongs to R other than 3. There exists x belongs to R other than 3. I told her this is the codomain, this is the domain. For every y belongs to R other than 1, there exists x belongs to R other than 3. Such that f of x equal to f of f of x equal to y. What is f of x? X minus 2 by x minus 3 equal to y. Just to cross multiply, x minus 2 equal to xy minus what? 3y. Okay. But you know that what you prove x equal to in terms of y, x value in terms of y. X minus xy equal to 2 minus 3y. X common 1 minus y equal to 2 minus 3y. X equal to 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y. Yes. So you got x value 2 minus 3y by 1 minus 1. Usually students are taking it belongs to, what do they write? It is belongs to R other than what? 3. This belongs to R. Because y is the codomain other than 3. X belongs to R other than 1. This other than 3. Simply they are taking belongs to R, the function f is 1. Sometimes you will get marks. But correct method is, you don't know whether it is belongs to R means you have to prove that onto formula. What to prove? Onto formula. Now f of, direct you take f of 2 minus 3y by 1 minus. This also correct. The previous problem f of x is y. Well, different types of mathematics means not one steps. So many steps you will get. When I take previous one f of x is y. When you take f of 2 minus, you have to prove y. Y only. This is y, this also y. Actually this is x then. F of x is y. So what is the given function? X minus 2 by x minus 3. You are assuming this is x. 2 minus 3y by, what is the x value? F of x minus 2 by x. F of x value x minus 2 by x minus 3. F of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. You are assuming x, okay? 2 minus 3y by 1 minus 5 minus 2. 4 divided by 2 minus 3y by 1 minus 5 minus 3 equal to, LCM take 2 minus 3y minus 2 plus 2y. 4 divided by 2 minus 3y minus 3 plus 3y. Okay, this is equal to 2 cancel minus y minus 2. So 3y cancel minus 1. Yes, 1. So we got, even you take this x, no problem. Previous two problems I am proving f of x is y. Not that one is neither only. The problem first previous one linear. So this is, even you take f of x is y or f of 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y is y. Hence, therefore, f is on. F is onto. Repeating once again. So f of x is y, you should take R2 formula. First you can write x value in terms of y. We have to prove f of 2 minus 3y by 1 minus. So you when you got y, definitely f is on. Okay. Some students, there are some students that are not proving this one, no problem. So it belongs to R and the function f is on to. Okay. This is also very important problem. Hence, answer f is bijective. F is bijective function. F is bijective function. F is bijective function. When you say the bijective function, it must be a both 1, 1 and both 1, 1 and okay. So next problem. So when you say the 1, 1 function, distinct element of domain have distinct imagines in codomain. That's important. Okay. uh, that another problems that we take. F from n to n, f from n to n defined by f of n equal, important problem, n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. For all n belongs to n, state whether this is 1, 1 on 2 or bijective functions. Okay, so the question is the function f from n to n defined by f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. So you have to state whether, he asking state whether the function f is 1, 1 on 2 or bijective. Okay, right. Solution: f of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. Okay. Now this problem is very difficult. Difficult means what? You should state 1, 1. The numbers only you take. So 1, 1, 1, 1 is whether it is 1, 1 or not. Okay. But both is not same. Even number or odd number is not same. Okay. When both are same means it's not distinct elements. Okay. It's not different elements. Now I am taking f of 1 equal to odd 1. F of 1 means odd only. Okay. F of 1 means what is 1 plus 1 by 2. This answer is 1. Okay. I am taking f of 2, even number. You have to substitute in even number. 2 by 2 is equal to what? 1. Now it is one example is enough. When f of 1 is 2, f of 1 is 1, f of 2 also 1. Because both here, this is mapping f from n to n is that you are taking 1, 2. 1, 2 you are taking. In domain you are taking 1 and 2. 1 is the even order, 2 is the even. So what we get? This answer is 1 only. You are taking 1, 1, 2 also 1. You tell me whether it is 1, 1. No, this is not 1, 1. 1, 1 means different elements have different images. Distinct elements of set n, the domain, have distinct image in codomain. So this is very simple. But I am asking, this is not 1, 1. Okay, 1, 2. Maybe it is on 2. Okay. Different I am explaining 1, 1 is but not on. So you want to take f of 3 plus 1. 3, one more example you have to check with it. I am checking. It is enough. One example is enough. It is equal to 2. F of 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Yes. Now what you tell me? What you are telling? So this problem, that the function, so f of 1 equal to f of 2 and f of 3 equal to f of 4. But 1 not equal to 2 and 3 not equal to 4. Hence, f is not 1, 1. Hence, the function f is not 1, 1. But important problem, even in CET, they will ask that even the theory also. Theory or CET. In CET means you have to add n plus 1 by 2, n by 2. Okay. Now it is telling 1, 1 is there? No. Because odd number, even number, you will get same answer. Okay. So this problem not 1 1. Now you check onto. 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 So, but here I am not taking to be different numbers. Now it is directly you can write. For example, so this is the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 natural number. Onto means all the every elements of codomain have the free images. Okay, all the elements of codomain have free images. Now I am taking 1 goes to, suppose if it is odd, it is the odd. Odd means what is? So when 1 will get. Even what will get? This is 3. 3 means 3 plus 1, 2. Because 3 plus 1, odd means odd function means डालना है, n plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 2 आता है. 4 बोलो तो क्या है? Okay. अब still again, so all are images. No, so 3, 4 left. No. Next number, next 5, you take it comes. So all the elements of codomain have free images. इसको मैं तो last period I explained. One sentence I given. F is onto because range of F equal to codomain. F is onto because range of F equal to codomain of F. 100%. What is the range of F? Range of F equal to, now what is it? This is what? Natural number. In codomain is this. The codomain of F, range of F equal to n. So I think it is codomain. Range of F equal to codomain. This is enough. This is enough. There is one more sentence is there. F is onto because the range of F equal to codomain of F. No need. It is 100%. I will explain now. You take 1, 2, 3 here, here are 1, 2, 3. All are images. All are images. All the elements of codomain are free images. So F is the most important. Onto you can should write shortcut. Range of F equal to codomain of F. Hence the function F is what? Not bijective. This is not a bijective function. In CET you will ask that answer questions. Both 1, 1 or 2, not 1, 2. So correct answer is what? Onto, but not 1, 1. This is a bijective. It is not bijective. Why? Because it is not 1, 1 onto. Onto is satisfied. So 1, 1 is not. Please tell me how to solving onto in this problem. Codomain is equal to range or range of F equal to codomain. Sometime correct answer. And no examples needed. Okay. This is also important. Then I will start another types problems. So repeating once again. So what type problems I explain? State whether it is injectivity means 1, 1, subjectivity means onto. Even I given x, x square, x cube, many problems. Even today I explain around 1, 2, 3, 4 problems I explain. So today's problem state whether the function is 1, 1 or 2 or even explain bijective functions. Okay. Even good important note. A linear function mapping R to R is always 1, 1 and R is a bijective function. So next type problems will start composition. Composition of a function. Composition of a function. Composition function function of a function. What a function of a function. Function of a function. Suppose this is the A set, this is the B set, this is the C set. F from A to B. Now another function G. What is the composition function? Function of a function. Now I am taking this is X elements. The set A, this is set B, set C. F from A to B, G from B to C. So this is the set A. It is a function of X. It is a function. What about in B? B, this is called, even I am taking y equal to f of x. This is the function of x, and next function y I am taking. Y is f of x. Even y is also function of x. This is the function of x. This is also function of x. Then what is this is? Y equal to f of x. I am taking y. Next z I am taking. So y is f of x. Even y is also function of x. Next symbol z I am taking, z value. This is z equal to, this is z equal to g of y. Okay? Okay? G of y. Z equal to g of y. Z equal to g. What is y? Yes, f of x. I think this is g of f of x. This is x, this also function of x, this also function of x. Even last in C, function of x. When this is function of x, then it is called G composition. The name is called G composition, symbol 0. G 0, F 0 is not, this is compositional. When you are taking from G to F, it is a function of, suppose it is not a function of x, this composition is not comes. Please you remember, it is must be a function of x. But I proved z is g of y, z is g of f of x, z also function of x. This is the function of x, y is a function of x, z is also function of x. When you got z is a function of x, so automatically the mapping from A to C, mapping from A to C. The mapping from A to C is called composition function. So F from A to B and G from B to C, B2 functions, then B2 functions, these two functions, then the function G composition F from A to C is called composition function. And what is the defined? G into f of x. This is nothing but G composition f is equal to G into f of x. So very simple definition. I will repeat once again. This is a function of x, y is a function of x, z is a function of x. When z is a function of x, this is the mapping from A to, not C, it is A to C. Okay, I think composition mapping is A to C. G composition f from A to C is called composition function. Okay. So what is the composition is followed or not? Okay. Z equal to g of f of x. So we want the definition. Composition is nothing but a function of a function. Let f from A to B and g from B to C, B to C, B2 functions, B2 functions, then the function f from, then the function G composition from A to C. And before this one I explained that what is the composition, okay? That from f, the function f from A to B and G from B to C. be two functions, then the function decomposition from A to C and is defined by G composition of x equal to G of f of x. For all x belongs to A, E is called the composition. E is called the composition of a function f and g. So this is the sometimes unexpected question. Define composition of two functions f and g. Now we start. Therefore, from A to B, G from B to C, be two functions. Then the function G composition f from A to C and is defined by G composition f of x is G into f of x. This actually G composition, simply G composition is this is understood. Sometimes only G composition they are given. Now you have to write into x because it is a function of x. नहीं A to B इसको x लिखना है. It is because composition is a function of x. Okay. So G composition f of x, here G into f of x for all x belongs to A. So is called composition of a function f and g. This is the composition definition. But figure I explained. How many sets are comes here? 3 sets. How many functions? 2 sets. 2 functions, 3 sets. What are 3? A, B, C. How many functions? 2 functions. What are the 2 functions? F and G. So the first function f from A to B and G from B to C. Then what is the f from? What is the mapping A to C? The mapping A to C is called composition, and it is denoted by G composition f. Even not only f composition, G also correct. So I think these two are not equal. I think commutative is not satisfied. What problem? Even G composition f is given means G into what? F of x. G composition f G into f of x. F composition means f into G of x. Not only this, f composition f into f of x. H composition G, no, H into G of x. Whatever it is the function of x. So G composition G into f of x, f composition f into G of x, f into f means f into f of x, composition h into f. Okay, so this is usually not equal, but commutative is okay. When 3 functions given up, that 100% associative composition. Composition is associative but not commutative. Okay, so this is the definition of what composition of a function. Now, if you want properties of a composition. Properties of a composition function. The first one is the composition function. The composition of a function is not commutative. That is, G composition F not equal to F composition G. And second one is the composition of a function is associative. associative. That is, you take three functions, f, g, h. F composition G, composition H, form formation G composition H. F composition G composition H, F composition G composition H. This is the associative because it three functions, but here two functions not associative, commutative. Usually associative means you have to select three functions. F composition G composition H not equal to F into G composition. It is associative. So what is the one more? If F and G both if F and G are bijective functions, but bijective functions. Also, G composition F is bijective. Both F and G are bijective functions. Composition is also bijective. F and G are bijective functions. Also G composition is bijective. Also, G composition F is bijective function. This is an important one. Okay, both F and G are bijective functions. The composition is also, one is not commutative, no, it is associative. F and G are both are bijection functions. The composition also bijection. So this is the important. Many are there. These are most important. Okay. Sometime in 3 marks question, you have to prove associative. LHS equal to R. Given problems also is asking. F is given, f of x is given, g of x is given. Show that G composition F is not equal to F composition E. Well, sometimes three functions are given and show that associative property. 3 marks question. So the most important. The three important note I given. One more point number 4. Let F from A to B and G from B to A be two functions. Then be two functions such that G composition F equal to I and F composition G equal to IB, where IA and IB are the identity functions. But identity functions. Okay. So this is the most important one. F from A to B, G from B to A. I think mostly reverse it is a inverse function in terms. FG, actually G is called inverse of F. But inverse of F. This is the function, this is A to B, this is B to A. So B2 functions, what is such that G composition F equal to IA, F composition G equal to RB. So what is the G? G is called inverse of F. G is called inverse of. And this given around the 4 properties of composition. So not commutative, associative, and both F and G are bijection, composition also bijection. So when F from A to B, G from B to A be two functions, what is the G composition F is I and F composition G equal to IB, where IA and IB are called identity functions. So it is a given function. This is not given. What is G? G is called inverse of F. This is denoted G equal to F inverse. What is G? G is the inverse. in some problems are come, suppose for example AB equal to I. It is given, but B is not. There exists. A is given, B is exists. Then there exists B matrix. What is B? B is the inverse of A. B equal to A inverse of. Okay, this is the important properties. And next period, next class, we will start problems. Invertible function is there. So invertible means the function f is invertible. When you say the invertible function, the function f is both 1, 1 and R2. Both 1, 1 and R2, the function f is invertible. The function f is invertible to prove 1, 1 and R2. If it is conversely also 1, 1 R2, if the function f is invertible. The function f is both 1, 1 and R2 and it is invertible. The function is invertible. The function f is 1, 1 and R2. So today's composition functions and property I explained. And next class we will start at one more definition, invertible. Invertible is nothing but inverse function. Okay? Inverse function. Already it is given f from A to B, g from B to A. This is called inverse function. So these are properties. Okay? So continue next class. Thank you.